Hello, I'm Dave. Welcome back to another episode of D.I.Why. This week is a bit different because I'm talking to camera, which really enjoy, honest. There was a good drainage layer around the So we've covered the basics on speaking. Take 3. Let's arise from nowhere. Hello! Welcome back to another episode of D.I.Why. I'm Dave. I build stuff. I also make a mess. But today I've made a mess of this take. Reset. Hollywood. You can't cast... Completely lost my train of thought. So... no. Oh, I don't like talking. And we're going to take a trip back in time to 2020, which, let's not go back in time to 2020, or if myself and the missus, oh, she'll hate that. Oh, no, not myself, which I do like to make another noise. I'm a screamer. No. So that, what you want is, I don't have enough hands to explain this, do I? The videos I found on YouTube, the concrete sectional garage conversion, they were quite, I don't want to say boring, but they were quite boring. So